Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon and good evening wherever you're watching from. My name is Engineer Dr. Timothy CEO and GMD of Timoyex International Technology Limited. Today I'm here to share some insights about the reason why we use some solar panels or units of solar panel. We have different type of inverter. We have hybrid inverter and transformer based inverter. The reason why we call some inverter hybrid is because number one, they have inbuilt solar charge controller, and those inbuilt solar charge controller have their specific voltage that we must meet up before those charge controller can be able to charge your battery effectively. For example, let's take for example, we want to use like 600 watt solar panel at 42 volts. Some 600 watt solar panel are 44 volts, some are 45 volts, but I want to just put it at 42 volts at minimum, 42 volts, and each panel are 42 volts. And the charge controller inbuilt, the inverter says okay, the minimum voltage we have to meet up is about 120 volts, which means that if we multiply 42 volts by 3, we're going to get something like 126 volts. That means we've surpassed the minimum voltage of that input charge controller, that's the PV charge controller. Meanwhile, if we are to use external charge controller, if we are to do maybe transformer based inverter external charge controller, we can just series two panels together to get like 84 volts, because most of the system that we do now are like 48 volt system. So we can just use two panels together and get 84 volts. We can use small amount of panel to get what we want on an external charge controller. But if we are to use hybrid inverter that have internal charge controller, we have to go along with the minimum voltage requirement of that charge controller. If the minimum voltage is above 200, that means we series like 6 panels together or 5 panels together in order to get more than 200 volts. That's 42 volts multiplied by 5. That's about 210 or thereabout. So that is the reason why you see that some installation we use more solar panel, while some we use just little solar panel. These two different installation have their own advantage and disadvantages. So don't get me wrong that one is better than the other. So they have their own advantage and disadvantages. And so the reason why I share this information with you is for you not to condemn whichever quotation that engineers give to you. If we are to use hybrid inverter that have inbuilt charge controller, we have to measure up to the inbuilt charge controller specification. And so the advantage of hybrid inverter over transformer based inverter is that it saves energy, because most of the hybrid inverter does not have transformer, and inverter also have its own energy consumption from the battery. So hybrid inverter most times they are transformerless and they save more energy. For example, most hybrid inverter can take less than 2% from your battery, or 3.5 or 4% from the battery. Meanwhile, transformer based inverter, most of them can take up to like 10%, 4%, 7% from the battery. That's the first advantage of hybrid inverter. Meanwhile, on the other hand, the advantage of transformer based inverter is that you can use transformer based inverter for inductive load. Inductive load. What do I mean by inductive load? That's the kind of appliance that use bigger transformer based inverter. For example, let's say you want to run a factory, maybe a pure water factory, or you want to run a very big machine on it, inductive load, transformer based inverter is the best for you, not hybrid inverter. In that case, we use transformer based inverter, we use external charge controller. But when we are dealing with hybrid inverter, we do use hybrid inverter for all our appliances, but most of the time we use more solar panel. So now what we use depends on your budget. That's what we use. The kind of inverter we use depend on your budget and your appliance. That is the reason why we do ask of your appliances. We need to know the kind of appliance you're using. Even if you cannot come physically for your inspection, we do ask for the pictures, we do ask for the video, so that to know the kind of inverter we're going to use for you. So for more inquiries about our product and services, you can reach us to us via the phone number on your screen. You can send us email, and also you can reach out to us via our social media platform. As to me, my humble self, Engineer Dr. Inverter Timoyex, NDCU of Timoyex International Technology. Thank you.
To see more of our content, like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell on Timoyex channel.